In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Canva app completely for free. So all you need is to be on your Canva, log into your account. You can come down here to this, your profile. You can click and you'll be able to see different features. So there are settings. You can come down. You can see the get the Canva app. Once you click on this, you'll be brought in over here. This app is available for Windows, iOS, Android, and Chromebook. So you can just go ahead and download Canva for Mac, which is the one I'm using at the moment. And you can see it is just downloading. You just give it some seconds. Once you finish the download, we can go ahead and install it. Okay, so right now it has finished the download, so we can click to install. The installation is very easy. Just drag and drop. So you can come to the launch pad and then we can search for Canva. You'll be able to see it over here. So let's click to have a look. So all you need is just to go ahead and log in through your browser and then you're done. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing.